Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om. So this Shaktipat process is itself a very ultimate process, we can say.
Dharma Puran, the essence of India.
Because this Shaktipat, many people come here, many ashrams are there, many religious places are there. Sometimes they tell, okay, sometimes people come for yoga, meditation. So they say, okay, you have to learn yoga. So at least for 6 months or 1 year, what is their according to the package, they do, yoga. And then some people they say, okay, like mantra yoga, you have to chant this mantra, and years they are doing. Modern people have no this much patience, so people can do this much long time. So according to the, like Samik, because patience, now modern person, they have no patience. They would like to know now. They won't like to listen. Many people I saw, when I speak much, they say, Swamiji, speak less. What you would like to give like that. So I speak very less. I always tell, okay, you have to sit with me in meditation and you see. This super intelligence, if suppose sometime people ask what is the definition of Shakti, and I always tell, this universal power, this universal truth is hidden in you, individually hidden in you. This called Shakti. This truth is called Shakti. So ultimately this Shakti is connected with universal truth. So this Shaktipat process is itself a very ultimate process, we can say, because you don't need to do anything, you don't need to control your mind, you don't need to spend your time in yoga postures or many things. Whatever is important, because when Shakti is, because Shakti is super intelligent, our inner potential is super intelligent, and it is omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent. It knows everything. How we can get a right track? If you do with your effort, you cannot do, or maybe it take time. But if you have connected with this super intelligent power itself is decide for you what is good for you, what kind of, even sometime people do pranayama, automatically happen pranayama. People ask, this pranayama is happening with me, and I do, let it happen. Because whatever is your body, your system is, what kind of requirement is there, what is necessary, what is not necessary, this Shakti knows more than you, because this Shakti is omniscient, she knows everything. But this is Shakti, the ultimate goal is not to become free from depression. Goal is to reach the ultimate truth. But during this process, if suppose someone is becoming healthy, that is a different thing, that is the boost. But Shakti would like to take you to right direction, and full complete humanity automatically develop in your system. So this how Shakti works. Atma, God, So if we somehow manage with this Shakti, somehow we manage with this inner potential, and then this inner potential already is connected with this universal power. And as I told you, this omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent knows everything. Even each The Shakti she has all knowledge about each cells, your each nadis. Every person having 72,000 nadis is directly connected with that. The Shakti knows where is the problem, which nadi is corrupted, and how to manage that. So this automatically happen. If we, if everything is under our spiritual practice is happening under guidance of the Shakti, this super intelligent power, and then everything goes very right direction. Maybe if you do with your effort bit, it can be possible. Many possibility you can do some mistake or something, but with Shakti is impossible because Shakti is very super intelligent. So that's why this process is very, very simple for all. That's why young people, many people, they are too much, they are, interested in with this process because you don't need to spend a long time for any practice. Result is when a person, if suppose a person is having some anxiety, many people come here, become free from anxiety because Shakti works very deep and also is affect our body. Some people having some problem with body, some sickness, and automatically because Shakti knows, when Shakti is trying to clean these our 72,000 nadis, definitely your health will be better. And definitely if this Shakti is trying to clean this toxics, definitely your mind will be, you will feel healthy. So बहुत सारे लोग चिंताएं करते हैं, people think a lot, तो उससे जो है एंजाइटी पैदा हो जाती है, डिप्रेशन में जो है चले जाते हैं लोग, sometimes people go in depression. And definitely if inner cleaning is happening, then definitely a person can become free from, from depression.
देखते रहिए धर्म पुराण।
यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो कृपया लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को जरूर क्लिक करें।
धर्म पुराण, द एसेंस ऑफ इंडिया। आध्यात्म, संस्कृति, संस्कार, जीवन का आधार।